Welcome back to TalkTech, Unraveling Language Wonders. Today, we're going to explore the art of crafting effective prompts for language models. In just 5 minutes, we'll learn how to communicate our requests clearly and efficiently to get the best possible results from our AI-powered language models. Let's dive right in. Before we dive into crafting prompts, it's important to understand that language models, like GPT-3 or 4, learn from vast amounts of text data to generate human-like responses. While they're incredibly powerful, they're not perfect and might not always understand your request right away. That's why crafting a clear and effective prompt is crucial. Now let's dive into some tips to help you create better prompts for language models. There are 4 basic rules that you may want to follow when you are trying to request something from the language models. 1. Be clear and concise. Start by making your request as clear as possible. Use simple language and avoid ambiguous terms or jargon that might confuse the model. Remember, less is often more. 2. Provide context. Make sure to give the model enough context to understand your request. For example, if you're asking for a summary of an article, include the article's title, author, and publication date to help the model understand what you're looking for. 3. Be specific. If you have a particular format or style in mind, don't hesitate to mention it in your prompt. For example, if you want a list of bullet points, specify that in your request. 4. Use examples. Sometimes, the best way to communicate your request is by providing an example. This helps the model understand the desired output format and can lead to better results. Let's put these tips into practice and craft some example prompts. Request 1. Summarize an article. Improved prompt. Please provide a 100-word summary of the article titled The Future of AI, written by John Doe and published in the Tech Times on January 1, 2023. Request 2. Write a poem about nature. Improved prompt. Compose a 12-line rhyming poem about the beauty of nature with an AABB rhyme scheme. Request 3. Give me some tips for public speaking. Improved prompt. Please list 5 practical tips for improving public speaking skills, focusing on body language and vocal techniques. Sometimes, even with a well-crafted prompt, the language model might not generate the desired output on the first try. To make this concept more understandable for the general public, let's use a simple example. Imagine you're using a language model to get suggestions for a birthday party theme for your friend. You initially input the following prompt. Suggest a birthday party theme. The model might generate an output like, a pirate-themed birthday party. However, this isn't quite what you were looking for, as you wanted something more personalized for your friend who loves gardening. Don't worry. You can refine your prompt and try again. Instead, you could input a more specific prompt like, suggest a birthday party theme for someone who loves gardening. This time, the model might generate a more fitting output, such as a garden-themed birthday party with plant decorations and botanical activities. It may take a few iterations to get the best results, so be patient and persistent. By refining your prompts and providing more context or details, you increase the chances of the language model generating outputs that align with your needs and expectations. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, we've learned how to craft effective prompts for language models, helping you communicate your requests clearly and efficiently. By following these tips, you'll be able to harness the power of AI-powered language models and get the best possible results. Thank you for joining us on TalkTech, Unraveling Language Wonders. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content exploring the amazing world of language and technology. See you in the next video.